Hi guys, it's Palm Tom here. Today we're going to be making a mimosa using white wine. It's a very easy recipe. I recommend you trying it as it's great for parties, get-togethers, or just a nice addition to a dinner at home. Here are the ingredients. 6 oranges, a bottle of white wine of your choice, a bottle of champagne, sparkling wine, or sparkling Moscato, a handful of white grapes, and you can also add additional fruits if there's something sitting in your fridge or you just want to mix it up a little. Give it a go. I always recommend putting your own spin on things. Now let's get into the prep. First, we're going to chop up 2 oranges to make a handful of orange slices. As you can see here, it's pretty simple. Just cut them in half and then slice across the top. You can throw away the edges or use them for garnishing. I didn't, but if you want to get fancy, go for it. Then we'll be putting these straight into the pitcher. Now you can take your other 4 oranges and freshly squeeze them. This will be strained and added directly to the pitcher as well. Then we can add our grapes. I like to make a suggestion here. You can cut up a few of the grapes in half to allow the grapes to soak up some of the flavor of the drink and allow a little natural sugar to flow out into the mimosa. And then finally, the fun part. Pop open your white wine and dump about 3/4 of the bottle into the pitcher, or if you have a larger pitcher than mine here, feel free to dump the whole bottle in. Just make sure that there's about 1/4 empty space left to add the sparkling wine or champagne. And of course, then we can pop our champagne or sparkling wine and add it straight in. Then give it a little swirl and that's it. This is a great light drink for a group of 2 to 4. Again, perfect for any wine lovers, parties, and get-togethers, or any unique pairing for a special dinner. Thanks for watching. I hope I can help you in the future. If you enjoyed the recipe or plan on using it in the future, drop a like. And if you want more great recipes, just hit that subscribe button below and join the Parmesan squad. Thanks again and have a great day.